So now the next task is to get that one on top of here and fix it. I'm going to use these bits of tube, square tubes, like that bit I used, not bottom. I'm going to put them like that, one on each side. See if this fits. Got to go in here. Yep, that's alright. Right folks, that's them two on. They're not fixed on yet. I've got to screw them on. I've marked these up. 5 holes in the top there, look. So this is bolting to top of this unit. I've pre-drilled it, same size hole as that, right through top of the unit. So I'm using these self-tapping screws here, which I'm surprised how strong it holds in that, but I put these on just to make sure, because I haven't got any nuts and bolts, but this will do. So it's getting a bit of masking tape because this is not magnetic, is this? I'll just stick that on there, like that. So once you put camera on, you don't work. Where are we? Right. So it's surprising how tight this gets. Right, so start to spin now. So I'll take one of these. Put it underneath inside the unit. Right, let's grip it now. As tight as that. That won't come off again. There's one cabinet. There's base. Casters on. Right. And behind it, now look, on the bench, there's the other cabinet. So I've just got to sit that one, pull it forward on top of them two spacers, and it'll just drop on and bolt it to it. Right folks, I can't get a full shot of this that way because I haven't got a wide angle lens on this. It's a bit more telephoto with these lenses on these cameras, so you just have to make do with middle bit at photo. That's it folks, that's on. So we just need to secure it now. through there. Say five bolts in there. So I need to get one of these in there now. So that'll go in there like that. Where are we? I'll put this through here till I feel it coming along. It's there now, so pull it out. I'm looking for it all now. Right, hang on. Right, found it. Right folks, that's it done. There's the top. And we're going down. And there's a trolley on the bottom.